As of October 2025, unlocking your Visible device requires meeting specific criteria. Primarily, the device must be fully paid off, or if on a prepaid plan, you need at least 6 months of active service. Ensure your account is in good standing with no outstanding balances or fraud flags. Visible has transitioned to a fully digital unlock portal, accessible via their app or website. This allows for faster IMEI verification and processing, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Remember that unlocked devices must support Verizon's network bands, especially for 5G compatibility. SIM unlocks for international use are usually automatic upon meeting eligibility, while full carrier unlocks for domestic use require manual approval. Start by locating your device's IMEI number, then access the Visible app or website. Navigate to the Unlock portal. The system will automatically verify your eligibility based on your IMEI and account status. If eligible, you'll receive confirmation and instructions. For SIM unlocks, simply insert a SIM from another carrier. For full carrier unlocks, further steps might be needed, so follow the instructions provided by Visible. Digital First AI checks now speed up eligibility, reducing errors. Keep in mind, it's always ethical to unlock devices, stick to official portals, and back up your data before starting.